Dear students, welcome to the homemade experiment number 9. Today I am going to do one experiment, but it is not the experiment, it is an hand trick, looks like a experiment. Yes, you see, I am taking one thread, there is no knot at all. It will be tested by the student. Hello, you see, dear student. ನೋಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ದಾರ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಗಂಟು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೀಗ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿ ಕುಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್. ಹಲೋ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್? ಪ್ರೇಮ್. ಯು ಕಟ್ ಇಟ್. Oh, slowly. Oh, you made 2 pieces here,
Yes, sir.
You see, Yes?
Sir, yes.
Yes. What I made, you see, I will join here by making one knot.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I will join by saying a mantra. ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ.
Yes, sir.
ಆ ಮಂತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನನ್ನ ಜೋಬಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಓಂ ಪ್ರೇಮಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಓಂ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿತಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಓಂ ದೈವಿಕಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಓಂ ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. Now, you see, dear student?
Wow, how you did, sir?
Don't know?
Sir, no.
This is magic, boy.
Oh.
Oh, you see, where you cut? To hold it with the 2 finger?
Yes, sir.
Yes, here. Is it middle one?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is last.
It is last, Huh?
Yes,
You
sir.
cut it last, You see here. That piece I have taken. This one. This you cut it here, boy. ಈ ಪೀಸನ್ನ ನೀನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Sir.
ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು.
Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಇಸಿ ಇಯರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋಡಿಲಿ
Wow.
ಹೀಗೆ.
Sir, you slided.
I slided this and I kept by taking this one in and say mantra, etc. You see, there is no
Not.
mantra or there is no magic. Nothing will happen. It is only the hand trick.
Yes, sir.
Some people are cheating you.
Yes,
I
sir.
say I am doing mantra, etc. Smata mantra. Adu